Welcome to our ultimate guide on the best shampoos for hair growth. If you're struggling with thinning hair, slow growth, or hair loss, choosing the right shampoo can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll review 5 top-rated products that are designed to support hair growth, nourish your scalp, and leave your locks looking and feeling their best. Let's dive into these expert-recommended options so you can find the perfect solution for your hair care needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Lipogaine. The Lipogaine Big 3 Hair Growth Shampoo is a favorite among those dealing with hair thinning and loss. Its unique formula focuses on combating DHT, a major factor contributing to hair fall, while nourishing the scalp and strengthening hair follicles. Key features: this shampoo features a blend of biotin, emu oil, and ketoconazole, which work together to block DHT, reduce inflammation, and promote hair growth. It is free of harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens, making it a gentle choice for all hair types. Benefits and usage: the Lipogaine Big 3 shampoo not only stimulates hair growth, but also prevents further thinning. To use, apply a small amount to wet hair, lather, and leave it on for a few minutes to allow the active ingredients to penetrate your scalp. With regular use, you'll notice improved thickness and healthier strands. Usability: this product is easy to integrate into your daily routine. Its mild, non-irritating formula makes it ideal for those with sensitive scalps or chemically treated hair. Durability: with consistent use, this shampoo offers long-lasting benefits, reducing hair shedding and promoting sustained growth. Its premium ingredients ensure noticeable results in just a few weeks. In the second spot, we have HairGenics. HairGenics Pronexa Hair Growth Shampoo is a scientifically backed product designed to combat hair loss and promote regrowth. Its high-quality ingredients make it a powerful solution for both men and women. Key features: enriched with biotin, keratin, and saw palmetto extract, this shampoo strengthens hair follicles, blocks DHT, and nourishes the scalp. It also includes a blend of essential vitamins and amino acids that promote healthy hair growth. Benefits and usage: this shampoo is perfect for anyone looking to restore hair density and improve scalp health. Apply it to wet hair, massage it into your scalp, and leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Regular use can help reverse hair thinning and add volume. Usability: the HairGenics Pronexa shampoo is sulfate-free and safe for all hair types, including color-treated hair. Its gentle yet effective formula ensures you can use it daily without worrying about irritation. Durability: with its potent formula, this shampoo delivers noticeable results within weeks of consistent use. Its long-lasting effects make it a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking fuller, healthier hair. Coming in at number 3 is the Ultrax Labs. The Ultrax Labs Hair Surge Shampoo is a top-rated product known for its innovative formula designed to boost hair growth. It combines advanced technology with natural ingredients to deliver exceptional results. Key features: this shampoo features caffeine, ketoconazole, and saw palmetto as its primary ingredients. Caffeine stimulates hair follicles and encourages growth, while ketoconazole fights dandruff and inflammation. Saw palmetto helps block DHT, the hormone responsible for hair loss. Benefits and usage: Ultrax Labs Hair Surge not only promotes hair growth, but also enhances scalp health and reduces shedding. To use, apply a small amount to damp hair, work it into a lather, and let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes before rinsing. The caffeine-based formula energizes the scalp, leaving your hair feeling refreshed. Usability: this shampoo is suitable for both men and women and works well with all hair types. Its thick, rich consistency ensures easy application and complete coverage of the scalp. Durability: Ultrax Labs Hair Surge offers long-term benefits with regular use. Its carefully curated ingredients ensure that your hair remains strong and healthy, even after heat styling or exposure to environmental stressors. Taking our 4th spot is Keranique. The Keranique Scalp Stimulating Shampoo is a salon-quality product formulated specifically for thinning hair. It's part of a complete hair regrowth system, offering targeted care for healthier, fuller-looking hair. Key features: this shampoo is enriched with keratin amino complex, peppermint oil, and panthenol. These ingredients work together to strengthen hair, soothe the scalp, and boost circulation, which promotes hair growth. It's also free of sulfates and parabens, ensuring a gentle cleanse. Benefits and usage: the Keranique shampoo cleanses and nourishes the scalp while fortifying hair follicles. Apply it to wet hair, lather well, and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. With consistent use, it improves hair texture, adds shine, and reduces breakage. Usability: this shampoo is ideal for women experiencing hair thinning or breakage. Its lightweight formula is safe for color-treated hair and provides a refreshing, tingling sensation during use. Durability: regular use of Keranique scalp-stimulating shampoo delivers lasting results by strengthening each strand from root to tip. It's a great option for those seeking a long-term solution to hair thinning. And finally, at number 5, we have Maple Holistics. The Maple Holistics Biotin Shampoo is a natural and eco-friendly option for promoting hair growth. Its gentle, botanical formula makes it an excellent choice for individuals looking for a more holistic approach to hair care. Key features: this shampoo is packed with biotin, argan oil, and tea tree oil. Biotin strengthens hair strands, while argan oil provides hydration and shine. Tea tree oil soothes the scalp and combats dandruff, promoting an optimal environment for growth. Benefits and usage: use the Maple Holistics Biotin Shampoo to nourish your scalp and support healthy hair growth. Apply a small amount to damp hair, massage into a rich lather, and rinse thoroughly. Its natural formula ensures your hair feels clean and revitalized after every wash. Usability: this shampoo is safe for all hair types, including sensitive or color-treated hair. Its sulfate-free formula is gentle enough for daily use and leaves your hair feeling soft and manageable. Durability: the Maple Holistics Biotin Shampoo delivers consistent results over time, helping to reduce shedding and improve hair strength. Its natural ingredients ensure that your hair remains healthy and vibrant with continued use. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best shampoos for hair growth. Each of these products is designed to promote healthier, fuller hair while addressing specific concerns like thinning, breakage, and scalp health. Whether you prefer a natural formula or a high-tech solution, there's a shampoo here for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert product reviews and hair care tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.